What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video. Today we got an exciting one. I finally received my wheels. So wheels and tires have been mounted. Shout out to my fiance. She got those mounted while I was out of town working. So let's get straight into it. Let me show you what I got. You guys already know I had to go with a set of welds. These are the Weld S77s, and they are wrapped in a needle NT 555 R2 drag radio. I did get them in the size 17 by 10 all around. As you guys can see, I got all four of them, obviously. And another option was gonna be the Bogarts. I believe they're the D10s, if I'm not mistaken. But just something about the welds. I've always wanted this style of wheel, the S77s. I would always go with the S71. I went with that for my Camaro SS 100. I went with that on my Corvette Z06. So I've always liked this style, and I'm happy with my purchase. On the tire, like I said, it's a needle NT 555 R2 drag radio. I was gonna go with the Mickey Thompson SS. I just like the tread pattern on that a lot more than this. But I feel this tire here will allow me to drive in, rainy weather, in case, I'm caught out in the rain somewhere, coming back from the track. I feel this tire here will be a lot safer for me compared to the Mickey Thompson SS. And I feel like the Mickey Thompson SS would probably hook a lot better, but it might be overkill for the way my truck is sitting right now. I mean, it's not making crazy power, obviously. It's just a mild bolt-on truck at the moment, so I think these needles will do just fine. And as far as center caps, unfortunately, when I received my center caps from Weld, one of them was damaged. You guys can see that is not a perfect circle there. I believe it got crushed somehow. So what I did was I went online trying to find replacement ones. Number one, because I reached out to Weld and they didn't reach out to me in a timely manner. Number two, I was looking for something a little bit shorter than this center cap, because when you put the center cap on those wheels, it does stick out quite a bit, and I really don't like the way it looks. So in reality, I was looking to replace these regardless. I did reach out to Weld, like I said, I just haven't gotten back from them. So I went online, I went searching on YouTube to find a replacement that might be shorter. So what I did end up finding are these billet center caps. I would have to go back to the company that sells them, but from what I saw in a YouTube video, this woman on her Weld decided to put these, and they almost stick flush with the face of the wheel right here. And it looks way better than having something stick out, quite a bit. This from the inside is almost flush. So I got a set of these to replace the original ones. And I did also find the Weld stickers to put in the middle. Just unfortunately, these are a little too small, as you guys can see. I think it would look funny, so I might just leave it without it, to be honest. But yeah, it just worked out. I was gonna replace these regardless, and if Weld reaches out back to me and sends me a replacement, great. If not, it is what it is. I'm not gonna be using these anyway, so like I said, I'll just stick them up here and keep them up there for now. But I'll leave a link in the description of the company that sells these billet center caps. Low profile, exactly what I was looking for, and they fit perfect. So I'll leave a link in the description. I can't remember off the top of my mind right now what company sells them, but check out the link in the description. Get yourself a set of these, if of course you don't like the way the original center caps stick out. If you like that, then obviously stick with that. But anyways, enough blabbering. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these things installed, put on the truck. I'll probably take the truck for a quick wash, laser wash, because I just got in from out of town working, and as you guys can see, it's filthy with bugs and all that. So let me go ahead and get these things installed, take the truck for a quick wash, and I'll check in with you guys after that. Here's the finished product. Wheels and tires are mounted up on the truck. What do y'all think? Leave a comment in the section below if you guys like it, if you guys dislike it, if you guys think I should have went with a different tire, different wheel setup, let me know. But this is the way she sits. In my opinion, she looks perfect. Give you guys a close up on the wheels. Excuse the wind. It's pretty windy out here right now. These center caps worked out pretty well in my opinion. If I would have put the Weld ones, they would have came out pretty far. I'm still undecisive of whether or not I'm gonna put that Weld sticker there. I feel like the Weld sticker is a little too small. I think all black looks way cleaner. Here's the rear. Hey guys, these things look good. I think the truck sits perfect. I did try how good they stick. First to second gear still trip the tires, you know. But I guess because they were still coldish, they're not hot, but four-wheel drive is definitely not gonna spin. I'm not making a ton of horsepower anyway. It's pretty much a mild bolt-on truck. Although I do have a set of headers coming in. I ordered them a few weeks back, but they're still a few weeks out, so that'll be a separate video. But yeah, let me know how you guys think she looks. I think it looks perfect, to be honest with you. Got the ram air on. Give you guys a quick little walk around. Excuse the audio, I know it's windy, but just want to go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around of the truck. Those tail lights, they're going to be addressed probably today or tomorrow, but that'll be a separate video. And you guys have it. For you, those of you that are tuning into the channel for the first time, this is my 2023 F-150 XLT trim, 5.0 10-speed obviously. The Weld wheels are S77s wrapped in needle NT 555R2 tires, 17x10 all around. But I think that'll be it for this video, guys. I know it was a short video, but if you guys are tuning in for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. If you guys like this video, if you guys like the way the truck looks, please smash that like button. It will really help with the video getting around. And give me some ideas in the comment section below. What do y'all want to see next? Like I said, tail lights, I have them in the garage. I'll probably take care of that today, or if not tomorrow, that'll be a separate video. And of course the headlamps, I'm going to address that as well. But I want the Euro Raptor style headlamps, which a lot of people are out of stock or they're not available at the moment. So I'm still trying to figure out what can I replace those with.
But yeah, give me an idea. What else y'all want to see on the truck? I might tint the front windshield completely, but those are minor things. Like I said, the headers are on their way sometime. Hopefully here in the next few weeks, they'll be shipped out to me. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Once again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.